Welcome back to my YouTube channel as requested by China. I'm going to be showing you guys how I apply and maintain my lashes. To maintain these beautiful lashes, you want to first start off with a strong foundation glue. Today I will be using the brand IDN Naturals. I will be using cluster lashes by LashView. Lastly, I will be using a tweezer to apply the lashes onto my natural eyes. So to start off, you want to apply the bonding glue on the tip of your lash line. Please be sure to apply the glue only on your lash line and not your entire lash, because it can cause for your real lashes to fall off. Next, all you do is apply the cluster lash underneath your natural lashes, and that's pretty it. It's pretty simple. However, please make sure to keep your eyes open during this process because you don't want the tip of the lash or glue to get in your eyes. So please keep your eyes open, okay? For this lash set, I will be doing 2 layers. For my first layer, I will be using 14 millimeters, and for my second layer, I will be using 15 millimeters. For the second layer, you want to apply the bonding glue again and just repeat those same steps. And then just repeat the same steps on your other eye. So again, you want to apply the bonding glue, apply the cluster lash. Pride is still my poison, but oh Lord, you know my heart. Praising God no cost, so help me use it as a weapon against the fallen one. Your grace is so much greater than all the sin I've done. You so love the world. And lastly, just seal it all off. I've been using this glue for over a month now, and I just really love that it's actually strong. It makes my sets last up to 2 weeks without causing any damage to my natural eyelashes. So that's pretty much what I do for my eyelash routines. That's pretty much it. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this short video. If you guys have any questions, definitely feel free to comment down below. I love you, God loves you, and until next time, we're going to see you in our next video. Adios.